Hi everyone. So I want to share my experience of buying Apple iMac 2020 27-inch 5K 128 gigabytes RAM, 1 terabyte SSD and 16 gigabytes video. So this is my dream iMac. So you can see the value is £5,800, and just now they're selling for $3,055, and CX is selling this iMac. So I'm saving almost £3,000. So let's make the calculation. £5,800 minus 3,055, we have 2,745. And I have a voucher of £10 and I'm gonna use, and we're adding £10, so total 2,755, almost £3,000, 3K. That's incredible. And I ordered already, and they're dispatching between 3 and 5 business days. I have invoice, and I'm so excited.